Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I have a very interesting topic. Today I will show you how speech to text works in Fedora Linux. Speech to text, that means voice typing. So in this video I will show you guys that how this speech to text works in your Fedora Linux. Currently I am using Fedora Linux with the Gnome desktop environment, and I can show you guys my Fedora Linux version. So just type first fetch here, and you can see this is Fedora Linux 42 workstation edition 64-bit, and all things you can see. Gnome 48.2 I am using. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to install a package. Now remember that if you are using Gnome desktop, then it will be very easy to use this voice typing, because Gnome desktop by default use iBus intelligence input system. That is, whatever your keyboard input is, that is controlled by iBus. And first of all, you have to just install a package, sudo dnf install ibus speech to text, ibus speech to text. This package you have to install. Type your password, and you can see this is already installed, version 0.4. And now what you have to do, you have to open up the settings. So here you have to open up the settings, and here this is the keyboard. So in the keyboard you can see these are some inputs layouts I'm currently using, and you have to click here, add input source, and here just click this three dot, and here type others, and in the others, yes, and this is, you can see, speech to text. Just add it. All right, so it is added, and now you can configure it and go to preferences. And these are the preferences. Now what options you are getting here? This should be off, preload models. Now some language models it is using to actually detect your speech. Whatever you talk, a text will be generated using some preloaded models, language models. And here I'm just clicking here. This is the default English United States local, and because I'm currently using in English language, and these are some other options. Now here in the English, just click three dot, and here you can see the language models available here. Now you can see this is the size of the language model. This is 1.8 GB, this is 124 MB, this is 2.3 GB, and 39 MB. Now if you choose to download some large language model, so it will be more perfect. But remember that this will consume more RAM also. Okay, so if you doesn't have so much RAM, less than 8 GB, so it will be difficult to use the bigger version of the language model. So I prefer that use moderate one, 1.8 GB. Yes, this is the moderate one, and I think this will be enough. And you can just try it out, which language model suits you. And of course system monitor is there, so you can check the RAM consumption here. Here you can see this is the RAM consumption, you can check it here. And so currently I am just choosing this one, 124 MB. This is a very low, but still it will work. And so this I have already downloaded, and this you can download from here, 1.8 GB, and this is already downloaded, 2.3 GB. So all the setups are done, and now I'm opening LibreOffice to write something. So I'm just opening LibreOffice Writer, and here I will try voice typing. So first of all, click here, and this is the languages. This is the input method. So just click here, other. Now this is the recognition. So this is the recognition of, turn it on, and then after turn it on, whatever I will talk, it will be typed, and just click it on. Hello world. This is Fedora Linux I am using. And you can see that this speech to text works really nice with a small language model, 124 MB. I prefer that you should use 1.8 GB language model if you have enough RAM greater than 8 GB or 16 GB. Now turn it off. All right, so you can see, so in Linux, it is also has come voice typing. So that's a good thing, very great news, and well done, the developer team of the iBus. That's all for today's video. So if you like this video, if you are enjoying it, and if it is interesting to you, so make sure you subscribe my channel and hit the like button of this video. And so that's all for today, and see you in a next video very soon. Till then, take care and goodbye.